Jai Shri Mataji to the world collective. We the Sage Yogis from the Telangana state welcome you all for the online Shri Adi Guru Puja held from Hyderabad, Telangana. In these unavoidable times, we cannot meet and gather due to pandemic situation. But by the grace of our Divine Mother, we all know since a year, we all are well connected through online meditations and were one at a divine lotus feet. On this joyful occasion of the Mahotsav, we are truly pleased to invite you all for the online Telangana Sage Darshan. Telangana is the youngest state in the Union of India, formed on June 2, 2014. The name Telangana is derived from the word Trilinga Desa, meaning the land of three Swayambhu Lingas, which are at Kaleshwaram, Srisailam and Draksharama. This state has 10 main districts and Hyderabad is its capital. Telangana had given rise to many mighty kingdoms where Kakatiyas, Qutub Shahis and Shalivanas, who, as we know, were the ancestors of Shri Mataji, were the most prominent rulers here. Telangana is a multicultural state where the influence of Persian, Nizam, Mughal and South Indian culture is seen.
Come to this famous place, Hyderabad. Which was ruled by Muslim kings, but they were very Indian, and they fought also for the independence of India with the British.
This state is home to the finest historical cloth making and dyeing traditions of the world. Pochampalli saris have been popular since the early 1800s. In these pictures, we can see Shri Mataji wearing Pochampalli saris. Nirmal toys are world famous traditional wooden toys that are exclusively made in the town of Nirmal in Adilabad district. Hyderabad is considered as the city of pearls, and this industry flourished due to the Nizam kings. By Shri Mataji's grace, Sage Yogis came to Hyderabad in the year of 1981 and settled down here. A handful of families started practicing Sage Yoga and conducted public programs. Now, let us hear from few early yogis about the advent of Sage Yoga in Hyderabad.
जय श्री माता जी, आप सबको हमारा प्रणाम। मेरा नाम CL पटेल है। हैदराबाद में सहज योग की शुरुआत कैसे हुई इसके बारे में आप लोगों को बताना चाहता हूँ। यह 1979 की बात है। उन दिनों मैं DRDL हैदराबाद में सीनियर साइंटिस्ट के पद पर कार्यरत था। अचानक तभी रविवार 25 दिसंबर 1979 के दिन मेरे राइट हाथ में पैरालिसिस हो गया। बहुत दर्द से गुजर रहा था। डॉक्टरों ने जो दवाइयां दी थी उनमें से आराम नहीं मिल रहा था। हर रोज बड़ी बेचैनी से गुजर रहा था। 1.5 साल से पीड़ित था। इसी समय मेरा एक दोस्त RR सिंह दिल्ली से हैदराबाद आया, ट्रांसफर होकर आया और उन्होंने मुझे सहज योग बताया।
In 1981, my father talked with Shri Mataji about his transfer to Hyderabad. We had been in Sahaj Yoga only for a year, so he didn't want to go there, and he had tried his best in every way not to stop this transfer, to not go there, and he was praying to Shri Mataji, please help me out in this. In that moment, Shri Mataji looked at him and said, Beta, go there because a lot of my children are waiting for me. So you go and start Sahaj Yoga in Hyderabad. That was her command at that moment. From that moment, my father stopped worrying and we shifted to Hyderabad. And of course, first Sahaj Yogi got realization in 1981 in Hyderabad, and that's how Sahaj Yoga started, even though Shri Mataji came only after few years to Hyderabad.
श्री माता जी का प्रोग्राम सोलापुर में हो रहा है। उसमें हम लोग 7 फैमिली मिलकर भाग लेने और श्री माता जी के दर्शन करने के लिए गए।
The beginning Sahajogis of Hyderabad went to meet Srimataji on 31st January 1984. There were families who went to meet her, and she was so pleased to meet them in this public program, because actually it was a public program, not organized as a meeting of Sahajogis, but she was so happy to see such a group of Sahajogis coming from Hyderabad that she decided to stay even the next day and stay with them and talk with them. My father, who had started with her blessings, Sahajoga in Hyderabad, talked with her and she blessed him because she said, वो तो इतना कब्रिस्तान है, वहाँ पे इतने सारे नए फूल खिल गए, ये देख के मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है. Meaning it's such a burial ground, it's such a barren place, and I'm so happy to see so many Sahajogis who have come up as a flowers.
This meeting of yogis with Shri Mataji in Sholapur prepared the ground for the arrival of our Divine Mother for the first time to Hyderabad on 31st October 1984, which was after 9 months of the Sholapur visit.
श्री माता जी का पहला प्रोग्राम गांधी ज्ञान मंदिर कोठी में 31 अक्टूबर 1984 को हुआ. श्री माता जी का हैदराबाद पर विशेष ध्यान था. उन्होंने कहा कि हैदराबाद एक मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी है और यहाँ बहुत पोटेंशियल है और अनेक लोग सहयोग में जुड़ते गए.
After the visit in 1984, Shri Mataji again visited Hyderabad in 1989 and a public program was held in Andhra Saraswata Parishad Hall. Shri Mataji's third visit to Hyderabad was in the year of 1990, where the yogis welcomed Shri Mataji at the railway station.
स्वागतं सुस्वागतं शुभकरी माताजी निर्मला देवी स्वागतं स्वागतं सुस्वागतं शुभकरी माताजी निर्मला देवी स्वागतम्.
A public program was held where many seekers of Hyderabad got their self-realization, and here is an insight of the program.
कुंडलिनी का मतलब होता है कि हमारे अंदर एक शक्ति त्रिकोणाकार अस्थि में बैठी हुई है.
Our Divine Mother granted the permission for conducting Shri Kundalini Puja, which was the first puja held in Hyderabad in the same year.
आप सब लोगों को मिलकर के बड़ा आनंद आया और मुझे इसकी कल्पना भी नहीं थी कि इतने सहयोगी हैदराबाद में हो गए. एक विशेषता हैदराबाद की है कि यहाँ सब तरह के लोग आपस में मिल गए हैं. जैसे कि हमारे नागपुर में भी मैंने देखा कि हिंदुस्तान के सब और के लोग नागपुर में बसे हुए हैं और इसलिए वहाँ पर लोगों में जो संस्कार हैं उसमें बड़ा खुलापन है और एक दूसरे की ओर देखने की दृष्टि भी बहुत खुली हुई है.
Let us now listen from a yogini about her experience with Shri Mataji.
In 1990, I got the blessings to wash Srimati's clothes, iron her sari, which helped me to cleanse a lot during the process of ironing. My mother's responsibility was to cook non-veg for Srimataji. So every evening we would take dinner and serve food. One such evening, she served mutton and Srimati liked it very much and was praising a lot. So a yogini said, "Mother, you are Sakshat Annapurna." So then Srimati replied, "Cooking tasty food is not Annapurna Tattva." And she started narrating a story to us. Once, Sir CP asked Srimati to arrange dinner for 40 people, as he was the collector of that particular village. But Srimati asked to cook for 100 people. Then on that day, around 100 people turned out and were expected another 80 people. The cook came running to Srimati seeking her advice. What should be done in this situation? She advised to cover the utensil with a white cloth. She vibrated it and said, "Start taking out food from the other side. So they fed all the 200 people, but food was still left. They called some people from the village and fed them. Next morning, they called the villagers from nearby, yet it was full. So Shrimati said, "It will never finish because I awakened the Annapurna Tattva in the vessel." Shrimati advised to offer the food to the vessel in the nearby river. It became an Akshaya Patra where food or Anna will never be a dearth. From then on, before we start cooking, always say Annapurna mantra and pray that it is not only is tasty but fulfills and nourishes the nabi of the family members or sejogis who eat it. Jai Shri Mataji.
The very next year, Srimataji was pleased with Sri Sharda Puja held at Rail Nilayam on 11 December 1991, offered to her with utmost devotion and bhakti by the yogis.
Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha
सुरनकी हंसवाहिनी वीणावादिनी इस मूरख को कर दे ज्ञानी इस मूरख को कर दे ज्ञानी शारदे विद्यादानी दयानी.
After the puja, a public program was held later in the evening with a follow-up on the next day.
अरे बेटा एक बात सुन, सब बनेगा, धीरे धीरे सब बनता है. सीरियल भी बना लेना सबको. अच्छा वो भी बना लेना तू. लेकिन एक बात है, अब देखो इस हैदराबाद में कितने लोग हैं, उसमें से कितने लोग आए. जिसका नसीब होएगा वही तो आएगा. तुम 17 सीरियल बनाओ नहीं तो कुछ भी, नसीब की बात है. ऐसे रखें हाथ. जिन लोगों के तालू से या हाथ में, उंगलियों में ठंडी या गर्म हवा आ रही हो, वो सब लोग हाथ ऊपर करें. पूरा हैदराबाद ही पार हो गया. सबको आपको नमस्कार, सब संतों को नमस्कार, अनंत आशीर्वाद. मेरे और ठंडी हवा आ रही. देखो बिल्कुल एक पत्ता नहीं हिल रहा है, लेकिन ठंडी हवा आ रही तुम लोगों से. बड़े संत साधु बैठे हैं हैदराबाद में. अनंत आशीर्वाद है सबको, अनंत आशीर्वाद है. कल सब लोग आए और सब अपने रिश्तेदारों को बुलाएं. इससे बढ़ के और कोई चीज़ देने की नहीं दुनिया में. प्रश्न है, प्लीज अवेकन आवर कुंडलिनी. वाह, इससे बढ़िया और कोई. यही सबसे अच्छा प्रश्न है. इससे अच्छा प्रश्न और क्या हो सकता है मेरे लिए.
In 1991, when Shrimati came to Hyderabad, we had a puja, public program, and later Shrimati had to go to Bangalore. Before the airport, we got a chance to be in the room with Shrimati. Only 5 yogis were present there, and among them were 3 yuvas. Shrimati's feet were being massaged then. Sri Mataji spoke to us for 5 minutes, asking about our whereabouts, where we study, what we were doing, etc. And at the end, Sri Mataji said, अब हम आपके ऊपर छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. We were awestruck and was wondering what we could do. But she does it all. Her words were a blessing for Hyderabad. Sage Yoga started spreading fast in Hyderabad, and many yuvas from different fields like agriculture. The students already started doing many experiments in Sage Yoga too. Engineers, jewelers, from management, IT, musicians, and singers took to Sage Yoga. For the next visit of Adi Shakti in 1994, the yuvas were taking part in Sage actively. They did postering, decoration, singing, and helping out aunts and uncles for making the arrangements for Shri Mataji's arrival, and felt the joy and strength of collectivity. Jai Shri Mataji.
In the year of 1994, Shri Mataji was worshipped in her form of Shri Rajarajeshwari by the yogis in Hyderabad. A cultural evening was held before the puja where the children performed dances to please the goddess. Qawwali, which is famous in Hyderabad from the time of Nizams, was also performed in front of our Divine Mother. In the puja of Shri Rajarajeshwari, Shri Mataji's divine attention was on the household women in South India and about respecting them.
थी कि ये चीजें नॉर्थ इंडिया में ज्यादा, पर देखती हूँ साउथ इंडिया में बहुत ही ज्यादा. नॉर्थ इंडिया के लोग तो भी इतना नहीं करते. अगर हिंदुस्तानियों में कोई दोष है तो एक कि नारी की शक्ति का मान नहीं करते. सबसे बड़ा दोष है. इधर देवी की पूजा करेंगे, कन्या रूपेण उनको मानेंगे, सब रूपेण उनको मानेंगे, लेकिन गृह लक्ष्मी के रूप में नहीं मानते. इसलिए आज साफ साफ बताना कि अगर आप सहयोगी हैं तो अपने स्त्री के प्रति आदर युक्त रहें. खुले आम मैंने सुना आप लोग झाड़ते रहते, तो खुले दाम आप भी झाड़े जाएंगे. पुरुष को कोई अधिकार नहीं है कि स्त्री का अपमान करे किसी भी वजह से. मेरे विचार से अगर ये एक चीज ठीक हो जाए तो राजराजेश्वरी की शक्तियां जरूरी चल पड़ेंगी.
The collective of Hyderabad was blessed with the visit of Shri Adi Shakti in the year of 1996 for a public program which was held at Nizam's College. We can see this college in the picture. This was the last Sakar visit of Shri Mataji at Hyderabad. Shri Mataji visited Hyderabad for 6 times in the years of 1984, 1989, 1990, 1991, 1994 and 1996.
Near Hyderabad there are many small cities, small places, lots of them. You can all take up one city or one small little village or something. Go there and talk about Sahaja Yoga. It will definitely work out. That's how in England they have worked it out, and in many other countries. So I have to tell all these Sahajogis who are here in Hyderabad and who are also in other places like Visakhapatnam or Vijayawada or anywhere, all of them should understand that at least they can spread it in their city, Sahaja Yoga, very fast.
With her divine grace and blessings, the collective Sangha spread her love and message through various public programs in the city and the districts of Telangana. Now, Sahaja Yoga is practiced in all the 10 main districts of Telangana with a total collectivity of 2000 yogis in the state. Few of the most memorable events held at the national level were attended by Sage Yogis from all over India. By the grace of Shri Mataji and with the help of National Trust, we had an opportunity to organize regional seminar and Sri Shiv Puja 2013 at Hyderabad. Around 3,500 Sejis participated all over India. It was considered as a prestigious and memorable event in the history of Sej Yoga in Telangana. On this occasion, we had celebrated 25 years of Nirmal Shakti Yuva Sangha, which is NSYS. The first National Yuva Shakti seminar was held in Hyderabad from January 9th till January 11, 2015. It was a workshop-based seminar attended by more than 1,000 Yuva Shakti from all over India, including the northeast states. The total collective was around 1,700. The seminar included sports and cultural aspects also. By the grace of our Divine Mother, South India Regional Sri Krishna Puja and seminar was held from August 11 to August 13, 2017. This vibrant occasion had active participation of yogis from all South Indian states. Now, we will see different projects undertaken in the districts of Telangana. Sej Yoga Dhyan Kendra, Medipalli, is the main center where the weekly collective meditations are held on Sundays and pujas are offered by the collective of Hyderabad. Bhumi Pujan of the ashram was performed in July 2007. Srimataji blessed Sej Yoga Dhyan Kendra with a foundation stone through her divine hands in the year of 2009 during Sri Shivratri Puja at Pune. The Singhasan of the ashram was offered to Srimataji on behalf of the Hyderabad collective for Sri Shivratri Puja in Pune and birthday Puja in Chindwada in the year of 2008. Dhyan Kendra, Medipalli, Hyderabad was inaugurated on 11th October during Sri Navratri Puja. With the blessings of Shri Mataji, Sej Yoga Center in Sangareddy, Medak district was started on March 5th, 1998. In Sangareddy district, Bhumi Pujan was performed for ashram in the year of 2017. Sej Yoga Center in Nizamabad was started in 1995. A pure desire from the collective to have an ashram was surrendered to Shri Mataji at Pratishthan Pune, and in 2012, by her grace, the ashram was inaugurated. In 2007, with the blessings of Shri Mataji, Bhumi Pujan was performed for ashram at Paridi, which is in the Adilabad district of Telangana. The ashram was inaugurated on November 19 in the year of 2019. Now around 400 Sej Yogis are in Adilabad. Sej Yoga Resource Center, Nirmal Nagar, Telangana was approved by Shri Mataji in the year of 2007. The project consists of 3 acres of land which is 40 kilometers away from Hyderabad, which includes a meditation hall, centralized kitchen, dining hall shed and dais for puja. The proposed projects are a health center, Sahet school and a music academy. Annually, one puja on behalf of the collective of Telangana is performed here. Land documents were handed over to our Divine Mother at Kabela during Diwali Puja 2010. Sej Yoga Meditation Center was started in Nalgonda district of Telangana on October 2nd, 1996. With the blessings of Shri Mataji, 2,700 square yards of land was brought by the collective in June 2012 for constructing an ashram. It was registered under the name of Her Holiness Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi Sej Yoga Trust. Now, there are around 20 families practicing Sej Yoga regularly. In the districts of Khammam, Warangal and Karimnagar, meditation centers are being run by few Sej families. As we come to an end of the tour, we the collective of Telangana are joyous to invite all of you to visit us in Hyderabad. We thank Shri Mataji again for giving us this opportunity to share this love, and we pray to her with utmost humility and dedication to keep us all connected with her ever-flowing compassion and love. Jai Shri Mataji.